Hi, so this is the local RAG uh, product agent. This is like a production level agent. Here I have just completed the evaluation where the evaluation was based on the 20 questions and the retrieval rate is 1. The citation presence rate is 1. Citation correction rate is 0.9375. Refusal accuracy is 1 and unsupported answer rate is 0. And groundless rate is 1. 1 stands for 100%, 0 stands for 0%, obviously. Now we can do chat with it, we can summarize the doc, and we can also compare documents. So if we summarize the doc, we get something like this. So here it has summarized the doc, and then it has given us the summary of the same thing. The same thing we can do with the compare, where it compares the both documents, and we can select which document we want to choose from both sides, right? So it says I don't know based on the provided documents is because there is nothing to compare between doc A and doc B, because this is a security policy and then this is the product FAQ, hence there's nothing to see there. This is a complete RAG agent which we can type and do whatever we want to do based on all of these files which we have uploaded. Thank you.